I have been doing dropshipping for 3 years, and I know, guys, why you are watching this video. You want to start this business and you have all these thoughts in your head. Okay, what if someone opens the keys? What I am going to do? How can I find a supplier? What should I am going to explain to you guys every single thing, and I'm going to tell you first that dropshipping is the easiest business. Okay, now if you haven't started yet, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can start this business. Okay, now you already know what is dropshipping. You know how you clicked on this video because I'm going to title this video how to start dropshipping on Etsy from AliExpress. So you know AliExpress, you know Etsy, you just want to know how you can start. I'm going to explain to you guys how you can start this business. First, find competitors. First, let me show you guys. The first thing you need to do is to create a store on Etsy. Okay, you want to click on your account, click on sale, and then create your store on Etsy. It's very easy. You just want to add your information. You want to add store name, shop preferences, as you can see, shop preferences. You want to select here China, because you are going to start dropshipping from AliExpress, and AliExpress is a Chinese website. And I'm going to show you guys the mistakes that a lot of new sellers make when they are dropshipping on Etsy from AliExpress. A lot of dropshippers make these mistakes. Now, like I said, you want to select China and then United States dollars, and then you want to select save and continue. Here, store name. People don't look at store name as much as they look at the product, because they want to buy the product. They don't really care about the store name. You want to add the store name. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter. And here you have to start listing. Okay, now first, let me show you guys the mistakes that a lot of new sellers make. They go to AliExpress, they find this product, for example, this product, and then okay, they watch a YouTuber talking about this. Go to AliExpress, find a product, list it on it, and that's what new sellers do. They find this product, for example, they find this exact product, they list it on Etsy, and they forgot that on Etsy you can only sell handmade products, and that's the worst thing. The worst thing can happen is your account will get banned. A lot of people get banned because of this, and you can't create a new account after you get banned. Now make sure you only sell handmade products. Yes, you can dropship. Dropshipping is allowed on Etsy as long as the item is handmade. Okay, now you only have to find handmade products. How you can do that? For example, find a handbag. Okay, handbags for women, for example, for women. I'm going to find, for example, something that looks like it's handmade. Okay, so for example, this one, as you can see. You can also add here handbag, and you can also add handmade. Okay, and you can find for example this one. For example, this one. Let me change the currency to dollars. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, you just want to find something like this. Okay, something that looks like it's handmade, and you can then list it. Okay, it doesn't matter what product it is. Okay, it could be jewelries, it could be necklaces. As long as it looks like it's handmade, you are good to go. There is nothing that can stop you. For example, this one, for example, you can see it looks like it's handmade. Okay, and if you go to Etsy and you search for let me do that right now. You search for handbag. As you can see, you can find a lot of people who are selling handbags, but if you search for a Krapovich, okay, it's not you can only find stickers, but you can't find the exhaust itself. A Krapovich is an exhaust for motorcycle. What people do, what new sellers do, they go to AliExpress, they find a Krapovich and they list it on there. They forgot that a Krapovich is not handmade. Okay, it came from a big company, but you can create stickers. Okay, the sticker that are that you can you can put on the exhaust. Okay, it's just a sticker. For example, AirPods. Okay, you can't find here AirPods. You can only find the keys of AirPods, because it's not possible for you can't make handmade AirPods. It's not possible. You got the idea, guys. You know what I'm talking about. So you can see here the keys. Yes, you can sell the keys, but you can't sell the product itself because it's not handmade. Now, for example, necklace. Okay, necklace for women. I'm going to search for it. Necklace for women. Okay, I'm going to search for example this one. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm going to search for something similar to this on AliExpress, and I'm going to list it. And that's exactly, guys, what you need. That's exactly what you need to do, guys. This is very easy. Okay, I'm going to find it right now. I'm going to search, for example, silver name necklace for a woman. For example, this one or this one. Okay, this one looks it's handmade. This is on AliExpress. It looks like it's handmade. Now, what you need to do, guys, you just want to find this product, for example, and then you start listing. Okay, and then you copy the title of Etsy seller, not AliExpress seller. Copy this title, click on shop manager, create your store. If you don't know how to create a store or how to list a product from AliExpress, just search on YouTube. You will find a lot of different videos. Now you just want to know the basic thing, guys. The most important thing, you have to know it, and then everything else is easy. Like listing the product is easy. Download the pictures from AliExpress. You just want to download this extension to download AliExpress pictures. Search for download AliExpress photos, and then download the extension. It's called AliSave. Okay, it's called AliSave. Download it. I already have downloaded. Add it to Chrome. Click add, and then whenever now you open a product on AliExpress, you will find a few different options where you can click on download the pictures. Okay, as you can see here, guys, downloading AliSave, and you will also find here 4 different options. Here you want to click on main images, and the pictures will start downloading, as you can see. Now this is exactly, guys, what you need to do, guys. You just want to find handmade products, and you can start dropshipping. Like I said, dropshipping is allowed. There is no problem. If you are thinking about what if someone opens a keys or dispute, it's not something to worry about. It only happens 1%. Like 99% of the time doesn't really happen. So you just want to start right now, guys. I want you to start right now and list at least 33 products. Okay, don't list one and you're waiting for a sale. Make your chances bigger. List 33 products. Okay, doing the exact thing that I showed you. Make sure to be smart about it. Only list handmade products, and you will get a sale, and you will start getting sales every single day. Okay, so if you need any help, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like if this video helped you.